Good morning, and 早安你好. My name is Eric, and I'm from SAP. Okay. So today, it is my great honor to actually share with you a new line of business that SAP has actually announced in July this year. As you can see on the slide, it's actually called, what we actually call it is actually really as the customer engagement and commerce. Basically, this is a story that I would like to share with you in the next 20 minutes on how SAP is going to redefine the future of commerce. Now, since it's going to be a story, I would like to share with you a video clip. All right?
At Hybris, we believe technology works when it connects things. And when we can make those connections ourselves, that's even better. But the best experience we have with technology is when it disappears, gets out of the way, when it becomes invisible. When as users we feel as if we're interacting directly with a service, because then it feels like magic. So let's watch what happens when Dina, Clara and Ellie combine some Hybris commerce functionality, Facebook and their phones to enhance their shopping experience. Using a gesture-based product navigator, Dina finds some shoes that are perfect for a special date. Sadly though, the store is closed for the day, and as you can see, she's pretty disappointed. Luckily though, Clara notices an NFC tag in the window. In no time, Dina's added the shoes to her wish list and shared them on Facebook. Everyone's happy. But our story hasn't ended just yet. A few days later, Dina's walking near the store when she receives a geo-fenced alert. And she sees that those shoes are on sale and just around the corner. Offline, online, social, mobile. With Hybris, everything's connected. It's the future of commerce now.
So, today, if I actually may ask the audience here, how many of you actually shop online? That you actually go to Zalora, Lazada, Q100, whatever you have it over here. Can I have a show of hands? How many actually shop online today? Great. So can I also ask, how many of you actually shop online, go to the shop, and then go to the social media, go to the forum, check things out, before you actually decide to buy? Can I show of hands? Good. So if you actually realize what you are doing today is extremely, if not definitely very different from the past. Okay, where traditionally we just go to a shop, we look at something, we decide whether we want to buy it. If we don't want to buy it, we just step out. Not anymore. As you can see, the journey of your shopping experience has evolved through multiple myriad of touch points. Whether it's actually through the call center, to the shop, to the forum, to the online, and then asking your friends for opinions in your Facebook, and so on and so forth. Now, if you look at this shopping journey that you actually have, and if I can actually put this into a slide, okay, on how you actually connect the dots of your journey, this is probably what you see. A cyclical journey that you goes round and round and round. In fact, you will actually jump from one point to another point when you actually shop. Just for the sake of shopping, which is a great passion for every one of us here. You take so much efforts to do it. So the game has just changed. And in fact, has been changing and changing and changing. You need to be the easiest, you need to be the fastest to do business with. Whether you're actually providing a service to B2C or B2B. Now, what is really the challenge here, really? Why is it that today we find it so difficult and challenging to actually do what we have been talking about for the last 5 minutes? You know, customer experience, customer engagement, and so on and so forth. If you look at your IT infrastructure, IT landscape within your organization today, this is what we see in most of our customers, the engagement gap. The gap where you could not provide the relevant context to your customers, okay? The convenience of it, are you able to actually provide those relevant contexts at the convenient time as and when they want it? How responsive you can be, consistency, and more importantly, trust. Trust in the sense that whether you are accessing a particular product online and going to a store, I'm seeing the same price. I'm seeing the same discount. Are we able to do it very confidently today? The answer is no. Why? These are some of the reasons, and I'm sure you are very familiar with it as well. Okay? I will not go through into it. This is very apparent within the DNA of each and every of our customer enterprises. Okay? And really what we want to do here with SAP is the ability to help you to close the gap, to make it such that it is contextually relevant, convenient, responsive, consistent, and trustworthy. This is the ultimate aim as a solution provider, as a service provider, as a product provider, you are always driving towards. So, what SAP is trying to do here is to actually provide the world-leading omnichannel commerce and customer engagement solution through CEC, through hybrids, where you have a proposition that allows you to engage on every touch point, every channel, address globally, and yet flexible, where it allows you to scale and change. This is one slide that I want you to take away at the end of my session. Okay, this is our customer engagement story, where in one single platform, it allows you to address 4 key pillars of your businesses. Commerce, whether it's actually physical commerce through your stores, call centers, kiosks, point of sales, to your marketing needs, whether it's actually through targeting, how do you address cart abandonment when you are going online, how do you actually do upsell, cross-sell, services in the sense of how do you actually provide it on cloud or hybrid premises and so on and so forth, as well as sales, where you can empower your salesmen on the ground, the tools to be able to sell more effectively. Okay. Where you can empower your customers with all the information that he needs to know what he has bought from you, what else can he buy from you as well. And all this is actually built in one CEC foundation, as we call it, customer engagement and commerce. All right? And as you can see in this whole total solutioning, we talk about experience. Okay, my apologies, I'm running out of time on that, but one key note to take note of, this is this story that really fits very nicely with what Park Susanto has actually mentioned earlier on your needs for cloud, on your needs for big data, on your needs for mobility, social media, as well as security over there. So, basically, CEC is chartered, a new line business is chartered to actually change the game. Okay? A game that allows you to deliver holistic optimization and for customers and enterprises that can allow you to create a total experience. right? So with that, I would like to end with another video clip for you. Okay, enjoy.
At Hybris, we think that customer journeys should be frictionless. From home to mobile to store, everything should just work. Kind of like this. Take a look at Miguel. He's interested in a pair of trick skis. Using a simple Hybris app, he retrieves some product details from a QR code and makes a request for customer service the next time he's in store. As Miguel walks into the store, a little piece of magic happens. Thanks to Google Glass, a couple of iBeacons and Hybris, Sarah, the sales assistant, knows that Miguel is in the store and exactly what he's interested in purchasing. We've connected Miguel's Facebook profile to the Hybris in-store app and displayed his profile picture in Sarah's Google Glass. She recognizes him immediately. As they walk over to the skis, Sarah checks Glass for the product highlights. She quickly finds the skis, and with the product content in front of her, she's fully briefed and ready to provide the informed and connected customer service Miguel has come to expect. Let's get the bindings fixed. At payment, Sarah notices Miguel has a pair of headphones in his wish list, and the skis have qualified him for a great promotion. Everyone's happy. In store or at home, it doesn't matter to Hybris because we connect everything. It's the future of commerce now.
Thank you.
So ladies and gentlemen, can we have a big applause for Mr. Erickton?